Good morning, y'all. Today we're going to do chicken like we do every day except for 2 days. And Daddy does. And do we take up some more tomatoes and we might go to the library today. I'm going to extend this so you might be able to see us checking the fence to see if it's touching anything before we let out pigs. Okay, is that? Now we're going to go to the chickens, right, Logan? Now, Averi, you put the Okay, now we're going to go up here and chicken. We're going to do the chickens. It shouldn't take long to get up to them. Okay, all these chickens are going to come running out as soon as Logan opens up the door, okay? See all those chickens? Okay, now we're gonna go check for it. All I gotta do Hi chicks! What are you guys still doing in here? Me too. Okay, and now we're gonna check for you guys see me in there? I don't either. There's a little chick. And there's a little chick right down there. Little chick, let's give this little chicken spot. Now, let's keep on walking around. Now, chickens are a good experience to have. They can do all kinds of things for you, like plow up fields and do all these good things. And back here is the big chicken block. We all hang out back here. Because there's water. So they're all going to be back here for a while until they get all the water that they need, and then they'll go around front and they'll get some feed. So let's just watch them for a while, okay? You see that big one over there? That one right there. He's a rooster. We've got one rooster in this flock. And the rooster's the biggest one. If you know, he's right there. And Logan was talking about the coyote attack that we had. If I didn't hear any more kinds of... Yep, and also because of our prayers and hopes. Not really hopes though. And God answered our prayers. And we don't have any big predators out here. Look at that big old rooster. Just walking around it like it's nothing. That rooster's been here for a while. He ain't like it when someone picks up one of his chickens. Okay, now I'm gonna go back home. So the reason for farming is to get fresh food, and for us to know where our food comes from. Of course, you want us to know where our food comes from. Everybody wants to know where food comes from, so we started farming. It's worked out good. So we're going to continue farming and make something good. Now, guys, you understand why we do farming like this? It's to help you. Thank you, Logan. So now, Logan's just walking right over there, and I'm just watching. So now, we're gonna go put some supper and have some more coffee. Okay, guys, bye.
So it's been a pretty good morning. The kids did a great job with their chores. We were doing good. We had gone over into the garden and started working and staking up the tomatoes. And we had a great visit from a farmer friend who's going to sell some steers. And so next week we get to go take a look at them. Then he'll bring them over for us. He'll deliver them for us. The thing about getting started farming, you don't have all the equipment. I don't even have a hitch on my truck, and let alone a gooseneck trailer or something to haul the steers in. But he's going to take care of that for me. He's a great guy. He is the same farmer that makes hay on the land. But I didn't work that into any type of deal. I want to make sure that we treat them nice. We don't want to take advantage of anybody. We want to just continue on. I mean, everybody deserves the right to profit off their work. There's no harm or problem with that at all. If we encourage it, even though I do things to save money, I also do things with my money that's right. We look for the right things to do, and that's our goal, is to do right with everything that we have. So now I'm gonna head out there and I'm gonna stake some tomatoes. I'm gonna work on the trellises that we had started. Some of them were too low. Logan and I put one of the trellises, we put the bottom board up some, and it helps tremendously. So we're gonna go ahead and while he's napping, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other two trellises. Okay, so these tomato plants here, we went ahead and moved the bottom rail from on the bottom. We moved it up to the top, and we were able to stand up these tomatoes. And you can see that's what we're going to continue to do with this row right here. I have to go through and take out the suckers on some of these. Got to make sure that there's good airflow on the bottom of them. And so we're going to be working on this section right here right now. It would go a lot faster with my buddy Logan, but again, I want to make sure he gets the rest that he needs.
And we might get some good fried green tomatoes.
Maybe. We also know people that like to have them, so we like to share too. Oh, looks good. Look, we got a big okra.
There's actually two. They're pretty big.
Can you see this big okra hanging? Yeah. You want to cut it, Avery? Take it in for your mama?
I know. The shell isn't how much that they've really gotten grown.
Avery, there's another one right there. See that big one?
I could show you guys a tip on tomatillos.
Okay, now there's one more down here. This one.
Now if you see a tomatillo, you'll see its shell and you'll think, wow, that's so big. But the real thing is when you squeeze it, you know how much there is in it.
Yeah, you gotta be able to fill it in there, don't you?
Yep.
There you go. Here's your okra, tomato, and your sucker that will get to start growing for us.
It's already got roots on it.
There we go. All right, now we need to take a break because we're going to go to the library and get some books, right, Avery? And then later on tonight we'll come back and do some more tomatoing.
Yep.
But it's looking better already. Awesome, awesome, awesome. God is so good, and he's growing these tomatoes beautifully, absolutely beautifully.